Got a little drain cleaning call going on. Sewer line backed up. Got water in the pipe. I'm gonna get this thing unclogged. Big machine there, buddy. If that don't get it, ain't nothing gonna get it. Ronnie gonna get it done. Self-feed cable comes out by itself. See if I can feel this cable tapping. Yeah, he's under my feet right here. I can feel that cable ticking under the ground, under my feet. Trying to see where the sewer line goes. I hear it right here. I don't hear it nowhere else.
There she goes.
What?
The cable's a little better.
Yeah, so the sewer line turned. It was coming that way, now it's coming this way. So it don't go all the way out to the road. It comes over here and then it comes over this way. Driveway right there. Something might be going on under that driveway. So let's see, we're now 4 minutes or 5 minutes into this call. Go on the other side over here and wait for it to come out. Oh, I see they got a green X right there. I wonder if it's a sewer line. Yeah, I hear it coming. It's coming right where that X is. It's passing me up now. I see they got some dirt dug up right there. I don't hear him spinning the machine no more. I wonder if the water went down. Let me go check on it.
Got it.
You got it?
Yeah. See the water flowing now?
Okay.
Got her.
Good. Water flowing.
Pull the cable back out of gas, eh?
Yeah, let's pull the cable out. Got them in reverse. Cable going back in. It makes it easy when that cable goes in by itself. Alright, so here we are, 7.5 minutes into this call. And we got her.